Riley, you need a medic, yeah? Get behind cover. Oh, okay. He can still medic you though, that we've got the little guy's the medic. He can put a medic band on you. I don't know where he is though. The little guy with the M4 with the 203 on it, he's our medic. He's got a bag full of bandages. Excellent. You can hold this if you want. I don't know where Seb's gone. Yes, with the guy with the new tube under the barrel. He's the medic. He's got all the bandages.
Medic! Medic!
Medic!
Medic! Here!
Make him alive again, please.
Come to me!
Hey, go on. He'd already moved a little bit, but not quite 30 metres.
Yeah, that's what we should have done.